Here's a vintage razor and also sharpening and the sharpening tool, all in one, and it comes with the razor as well. This is called safety razor. So you have right here leather for sharpening, and this side here also opens up. Oh no, this one right here. This side here for sharpening, and this, whenever you open it and twist it, release the actual blade, and you see this is safety bar. So that's what you're going to shave on, and this little bar will slide to the side right here. This is so cool. Actually, first of all, we need to unspin that little ball, you see, will go inside, and then we can slide to it, and there you go. This is actual blade, like a straight blade except with the safety bar. That's a really old. You see, there's actual blade. This is the blade. You don't attach any more blades to it. This is just pretty vintage. So that's what you'll be shaving with, like this. So that's a, and then you see there's a little big thing. You put it to and lock it in. So what we're going to do is sharpen it. You plug it in into here. Let's see. That means it has to go in here. So it's a different attachment, so that way you don't put it down right. And we're gonna lift this up and sharpen it. Flip it and push. Flip it and push. You see how it flips over and sharpen it. Probably this motion is better. Cool. Once you're done with that, what we'll do is put the leather part into it and stop it. Pull this part, stone away, and then lift this up. And it stops, you see, the other way around. Quite unique. And once you feel like you sharpened it up well, you just twist it, release it, and ready to shave again. So it's on a go little very vintage safety razor. So that's a definitely one of a kind shaver right here, don't you guys think? Wow, very cool and unique. Okay, once you're done shaving and you want to put everything back in, put it in and turn it sideways. Push it closed. This side here, twist it all the way down. Honestly, the only way to fit it, put this back in and open this side so it fits really tight and nice. Put it, you see how that blade is in here, and then this will fit in here. Oh, it sucks in. Okay, now I know. And lock it up, and that's your to-go little shaving kit and sharpener all together. Very interesting design. Got right here safety razor for shaving. Check this out. So you spin it right here and it opens. So spin it this way, it closes. One more time. You see how it opens, and then we're going to get a razor and put it in here, and then we spin it and it will close. Make it tight, and you have right here a ready to go shaver. Beautiful. Whenever you wanna replace the blade, take this out. Very nice fit in there, and put a new one in, close it back up. Wow. Okay, and then open it again. Let me just take it out. Very interesting design. I really like that one a lot. Got it here, EDC toothpicks, beads, little ropey, lanyard, whatever it's called. So inside here you have little tiny, like a toothpick or pick, in case you get a splinter. It would be pretty easy to take it out with it, and it sits onto your keychain, so it is ready to go anytime. You see, there's a keychain loop. Or you can get rid of that and have a little pineapple on your, like a little keychain to the little, like it was set up. Very cool. And it is a pretty nice blue color. You see how it shines on the light? I really like that one a lot. And then there is another one. Let's see what color this is. Okay, this looks like a power cord. Okay, is it same thing? Yes, comes with a little safety plugged in into it. Okay, this one is gray. It's just so cool. Little pineapples, keychain pineapples with a little like toothpick tool or splinter tool. Very nice. Here's 8-in-1 adjustable screwdriver. As you can see, this is a mini. Okay, so how do we lock it in? You push on this, put it through. There you go, all the way through. And also you pull it out a little bit, and then I guess there's a magnet. Yeah, there's a magnet on the inside, and it locks it in. Look at that pull. Wow, nice. So you can have it mini, very nice, and then you can push it and adjust it as tall as this. Very cool. And then whenever you wanna grab it and pull it out, you just lift it up and you have a whole bunch of different bits. So let's take one out. Kinda shorty. Put this one back in. Very easy. Nice. You have little screwdriver, very comfortable for my big hands. Need it longer a little bit, adjust it. For storage purposes, put it back in. Got right here a handy little glass or drink carrier, especially if you need to bring a bunch of glasses from the house to the pool, like soda and stuff. You can bring up a whole bunch of glasses, as you can see, or maybe to-go cups. Boom. Really easy to grab it and carry it. And the best thing about it, once you bring it up, really easy to take it off. It does not take up a lot of space. Boom. Swish Tech 22-in-1 multi-tool. Open this up. Tells you everything about it right here, all the instructions. So you open this and twist it. Oh, right here, little screwdrivers too. You twist it the other way. Boom, you have a little screwdriver. A whole bunch of tools. A little screwdriver, and then check this out, there's another one. I don't even know what that is. A little drill, like a screw type of thing. Rulers, a whole bunch of different things. It has to go back in this way. Cool. Okay, what is in here? Spins all the way through. Wow. There you go. It's locks in pretty good in there. A whole bunch more tools in here. Little screwdrivers, pry bars. And push it all back together. And then flip this over. And then you have right here pliers, a bottle opener, wrench. And whenever you put it all back together, you push all these ones out. You have a whole bunch of Allen wrenches. I think the coolest thing about this thing is very flat, fits your pocket pretty easily.